I have recently received a query from a user where he wants to convert this data into this format. So basically, it's a leave dashboard where they have mentioned the leaves of their employee against the date. Now they want to remove all the blank cell and they want just the date, employee name, and the leaves. Now, if you're going to do it manually, it's going to take a lot of time. So the easy way to do this, just select your data and go to the data tab. Now click on from table range and you can see an option here which says create a table. It's already checked by default. So now click on OK. Here in this screen, you need to click on the name section. You can see this column that says name. Just make a right click here and click on unpivot other columns and bingo. Now at the top left corner, click on this one. You can see close and load. Just click on close and load to. Now you will have some option here. The table is already checked. So just click on OK. Now you have your data. Just convert the format like this. If you want, you can change the header also. If you have any doubt in Excel, you can DM me. The Telegram link is in bio.
Wait, Goody just asked.